Hello everyone. So if you want to delete all photos from your Motorola Razr 50, first of all, you're to locate the gallery on your device. On this device, it's presented by Google Photos, so open up your Google folder, or it can be scattered anywhere across your home screen. So find your Photos application, open it up, and now we can see the list of our photos. Now select the photos you want to delete. You can choose them by days or months. For example, I want to delete all the photos from December. So as you see it listed as December. Now simply hold on the photo to choose it and choose everything you want to delete. Now at our bottom tab, simply press delete, confirm your choice, got it, press move to trash, and they are successfully deleted. They're gone from the main album. But if you want to delete them permanently so no one can restore them, let's move on. Choose your library tab right here at the bottom. In your library tab, find your trash. And here in your trash, you'll find all of the photos which are moved here. It works just like the recycle bin on your computer. Now tap select, choose all of the items. You can choose them by tapping on each of them, or you can choose delete all option. I will do it. Press delete all, confirm your choice by pressing delete permanently, and basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.